Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix issue when you see no audio output devices connected to your iMac. So first thing, just check here, just go to start menu, just open control panel. Here you just need to write device manager. Here you just need to open it, and here you can also just check drivers for your device, also for your audio devices. So after you will check it, you can also update your driver, or you can also just, here you can see that, just tap on properties, and here you can also just check driver version and update it. You can update it automatically or just in another way. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.